Hello, we back with another crash video. This video I'm gonna show you how to sound like Alex G and share like a similar vocal mix to what he uses on his songs and his music. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So for his vocals, you don't really need to like have that much like energy or whatever, because it's like relatively just softer vocals, and like the whole music is just really like softer and like quiet, slow. So with the vocal chain, like it's also like try to replicate that. And I'm gonna play the vocals raw so you kind of get like a better idea of what I'm trying to say.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed to.
But yeah, so like you could tell, like I'm not like super like energetic in the things or anything. Like I'm like very like quiet and calm. I'm gonna play his vocals so you could like get like a better idea, but his with whatever hit mix he has on, or whatever.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna.
Yeah, see, like I kind of replicate that sound, I guess, that softer sound. I'm play my this part with the vocals with the chain on, so you could hear the difference and like the actual mix.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed to. I could disappear, but this is what makes me feel so real.
So the main vocal should be like more like is what's gonna have more variety to it. Like that's like obviously like the main vocal, and then your left layer is gonna be higher pitched and right layer is lower pitched. That's just how he did it on this song, at least. I'm gonna play each stem like separate so you could like get a better idea.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed to.
Like don't mind the takes because they're like really bad, but like each stem is supposed to like fill in like empty space and just make it sound overall better.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like
And the lower one.
taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed.
And then all together.
Taking hits for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed
Yeah,
to.
that's pretty much it. So like this preset, all it's really doing is like, it's like mixing your vocals or whatever, but it's making it muffled, which is like kind of that sound that he has on this thing. And I have auto tune on as well in the recording preset. It's not that like heavy. You could leave like around that 20 to like 15 mark, and then humanize all the way up, because I don't know, he probably doesn't even have auto tune, but like I just keep it to like, to try to help me stay in key or whatever when recording. But like realistically, it's pretty much it, honestly. Like it's pretty simple. Like he doesn't have like extra layers, at least in this song. And like it's just like those main three. There may or may not be like a few more, but like these are the main ones that you really need to care about. But yeah, I'm just gonna let the rest of the cover play out, and I'm gonna like let the video fade out or something. I don't know. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. This is my second video on the channel, so I hope you enjoyed it. But like, I'm sorry if like I'm like stuttering like stuff like that.
Taking hits for you.